Yang, will this plan really work?
In theory, yes, but some key data is missing.
It's time to visit Dr. Shen.
Ah, it is you. It is late. What brings you here?
Professor, you knew the artery could collapse, didn't you? Why did you keep stopping my investigation?
Sunny, I didn't want you dragged into this.
But I can't stay out of it anymore. Please tell me what it really is.
Oh, did you? Years ago, during artery maintenance, I proposed a plan called the Bridge. It doesn't rebuild the energy network. It upgrades its control logic. By enabling deep synergy between the smart hub and the grid, it coordinates energy supply and demand in real time, reducing transmission losses and maintaining system balance. It makes the artery more efficient, more stable, and safer.
This is what we need. Why wasn't it deployed?
It is too hot. It needs full system technical synergy across solar, wind, storage, power, and hydrogen. Not to mention that the neutron medium must be implanted and operated inside the energy zone. The heat, radiation, and energy turbulence. Almost no one can do it.
Let me go, Professor. Maybe I can do it.
No!
I am the best candidate. I know the energy zone better than anyone. My physical stats and reflexes ranked first in every patrol. Maybe I could.
I said no!
Professor, the artery is collapsing. Lucian's plan is still unclear. We already have a solution. All we need is an operator, and I am standing right here. Why won't you let me? Then tell me you kept stopping my investigation. Now you've told me about the bridge, but still won't let me go. What are you afraid of?
What am I afraid of? I'm afraid of losing my daughter again!
What are you saying, daughter?
The year I conceived the Bridge, my daughter died in an accident. The day she left, I was still in the lab, tuning the neutron medium parameters. I didn't even get to. I couldn't bear the pain. So I used bionic technology. I created you in her image.
I am an android.
Yes, your body, your neural structure, can withstand the energy zone's extreme environment better than humans. But I never want you to do this. You are my daughter, my best student. All these years, I've been so grateful for that choice. Sunny, you are my daughter. I can't lose you again.